Here you can see this is the laser diode. This laser diode is connected with the battery. This is the 9-volt battery, and with that a resistor is connected. This resistor is connected so the 9-volt of the battery cannot damage the laser diode. Here positive of the laser diode is connected towards the positive of the battery, and the negative of the laser diode is connected towards the negative of the battery. Just now laser diode is off. When I am connecting the wires, the laser diode will get on. You can see a red light or a spot in a laser diode because I have connected both the terminals. Now we will be using this laser diode to take readings of the laser divergence. You can see this is the graph paper over here. I have attached this graph paper on the support using this double-sided sellotape, and here I have kept a laser diode which I have explained you previously, and this is just a support to keep a laser diode. Now I just have to arrange the distance between this graph paper and this laser diode. I will be taking readings for 3 different distances. One that is for a 30 centimeter, next is for a 60 centimeter, and then it is for the 90 centimeter. If we have to take readings for the 30 centimeter, we will be arranging the distance in between the graph paper and the laser diode. For example, this is the 0 centimeter near to the graph paper, and here approximately this is the 30 centimeter. So I am keeping this laser diode at the distance of the 30 centimeter. And you can see a spot of the laser diode over here. This circle we are getting, that is a focusing of the laser diode, and the same circle we just have to round at the periphery of the circle. Let us see how we will do it. So slowly you use a pointed pencil, and with the tip of the pencil you just have to draw the periphery. This has been done for the 30 centimeter. Same thing we have to do for the 60 centimeter. This circle you can name as S1 or a circle 1 at 30 centimeter. Now again we are arranging a distance of 60 centimeter. Now the distance in between laser and a graph paper is a 60 centimeter. And we have got another circle that is at the distance of 60 centimeter. So again I am drawing the periphery of this circle. So when we will be preparing the periphery of this circle, we will be drawing it. We just have to draw it using tipped pencil, and in this way we can draw the periphery. Give a name of this circle as a circle 2, so we can identify the circles that this is the circle 1 at 30, this is circle 2 at 60. Same way as we had taken for a 60 centimeter, same procedure we have to follow, and we will be doing it for the 90 centimeter. Now the distance is a 90 centimeter between a graph paper and the laser diode, and the circle we will be getting, that is over here. And same way we are drawing a periphery of this circle as we had done it in a previous manner. So this is circle number 3. This is readings are over. We just have to take out the graph paper, and then after we have to do the calculations as it is given in the observation table. PDF of the same is shared with all of you. Thank you.